In a world of constant change in the maintenance of our gardens, where nature continues to offer us its abundance and sometimes its challenges, an innovation stands out and promises to transform our relationship with gardening. Imagine a tool designed to simplify your life, to transform a chore into a quick, efficient, and almost meditative activity. Let me introduce you to the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200, a revolution in the gardening field that combines power, precision, and respect for the environment. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. The Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 is the ideal tool for gardening enthusiasts, whether amateur or professional, looking for an effective and environmentally friendly solution for shredding green and soft plant materials. Perfect for owners of small to medium gardens who want to keep their green space tidy with ease and speed. At the heart of this innovation, the Bosch AXT stands out for its ability to handle a material throughput of 420-10 kilos per hour with remarkable ease. With a power of 2200 W and capable of cutting branches up to 40 millimeters in diameter, this tool is a true ally for the modern gardener. But what truly captivates from the very first uses is the combination of unmatched performance with an impressive respect for our sound environment. Only 44 decibels. Yes, you heard that right. It is possible to work in your garden without disturbing the tranquility of those around you. But how is this possible? The key lies in the Power Drive Bosch high-speed motor, the most powerful in its category, which combined with a hardened steel blade cut by laser, ensures cutting power that is superior to that of competing tools. This precision blade, a symbol of durability, becomes the beating heart of this indispensable tool, capable of shredding green and tender plant material with remarkable efficiency. What makes the Bosch AXT even more special is its practical design. The funnel designed to facilitate the introduction of plants, along with the practical pusher, ensures simple, quick, and safe use. Never before has a tool been so attentive to the user experience, allowing you to carry out your gardening tasks with astonishing ease. Moreover, mobility is not to be overlooked. Weighing only 12 kilos, this tool is easily maneuverable, allowing you to transport it wherever you want in your garden with ease. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Designed for both amateurs and professionals, the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 fits into all gardens, whether large or small, consisting of non-woody plants, medium-sized shrubs, and small branches. This hoodie is not just a shredder, it is a gardening companion that promises to revolutionize the way you take care of your green space. Beyond its technical performance, the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 demonstrates Bosch Home Garden's commitment to sustainability by ensuring the availability of spare parts in the EU for a duration of 2 years, thus affirming its role as a reliable and long-term partner for all gardeners. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, order it now at the best price, and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages, as well as its drawbacks. Advantage number 1, power and efficiency. Thanks to its 2200 W Power Drive Bosch high speed and its hardened steel blade, it offers high cutting capacity and material throughput, efficiently handling branches up to 40 mm in diameter. The second advantage is its convenient connection. The optimized funnel and included pusher make it easy to feed plant waste, making shredding quick and effortless. Advantage number 3, silent. With a noise level of only 44 decibels, it is much quieter than many other shredders, reducing noise pollution for the user and the neighborhood. Advantage number 4, mobility. Its relatively light weight of 12 kilos makes this tool easy to move and handle in the garden. Advantage number 5, durability. The precision laser cut blade ensures superior longevity and consistent cutting performance over the long term. Advantage number 6, user safety. The practical pusher minimizes the risk of accidental contact with the blade, ensuring safe use. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks, the number 1 being that the power cable is not included. It is necessary to purchase a suitable power cable separately, which may be seen as an additional inconvenience. In conclusion, the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 is not just a tool, it is a gateway. A new way to maintain your garden, combining performance, practicality, and respect for the environment. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your gardening experience. Click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of customer reviews that testify to the revolution that the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 represents in the world of gardening. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you soon.